4 na Cheetos. Uy! Nahulog. Sarap. Ooh. Spicy pepper challenge with Cheetos and cheese on top. Sounds yummy. Tikman natin. Look at that. Amen. Liit, no? Pasensya na. Ito lang kinain ng bansa namin eh. Let's try to add some Cheetos. Shati. Unang kagat, Cheetos lahat. It's good. It's really good. Cheetos jalapeno flavor. Sa pa nga. Challenge by Shati. Red bell pepper. Another one with Cheetos. Oh wow. Ulala. Sarap. Ano pa? Samahan natin ng malamig. Ice Berocca. My favorite. So yummy. Todo pa natin. 4. Sarap. Sabi. Another one. Here we go. Last one. Oh yeah, baby. Try nyo na. Madali lang gawin. Thanks to Shati. Busog. Thank you so much.